Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
All unlocked phones work on carriers that use GSM networks. Popular U.S. carriers that use GSM networks include AT&T, T-Mobile, Cricket, Metro PCS, Simple Mobile and TracFone. Most foreign carriers also use GSM networks. You will need to use a SIM card from a GSM provider to get service for your unlocked phone.
Let's help you make your mark.
Another disadvantage of buying unlocked is that certain phones don't support specific network bands. This can be complicated for buyers who don't know all about the differences between types of networks, CDMA versus GSM, for example, or which bands their carrier predominantly uses in their area. 3 September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Used devices are obviously cheaper than new devices, which could allow you to get a top-of-the-line device for hundreds less than you would pay through a carrier. Another big advantage is that unlocked phones receive software updates directly from the manufacturer, which usually means faster and more frequent updates. 3 September 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.